What's good, ladies and gentlemen? You're welcome to World Wave Radio, where we bring the world to you. I go by the name Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 free plugins that feels like stealing. Trust me, this plugin I use them time to time, and I feel like why not share it with you guys? And I'll be leaving the link in the description where you can actually download this plugin. So without no further ado, let's get straight into it after the intro. Welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. So I know it's been a while. I missed you guys. I'm sure you missed me too. So today I want to show you, while showing you, I want to demonstrate how you can use the plugins to create vibes. So yeah, I'll be creating vibe from scratch. I know you guys have been saying, oh, let's do something like that. So yes. So the first plugin on the list, that really this one, I'm arranging this in no particular order. So it's not from the least to the greatest. I think they are all great. I mean, if anybody's giving you anything for free, if you are not a thief, you should appreciate it because it's coming for free. So yes, the first one on my list will be Lo-Fi Piano by Stenberg. Lo-Fi Piano by Stenberg is amazing if you want to get that dirty sound, dirty lo-fi sound. This one, they have loads and loads. Let's check out this cassette deck. So let's record that one. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. So the next plugin I'm going to use straight away from this one is to use Chow Tape. Chow Tape by Chow DSP. It adds like a tape feel. Remember, we're trying to make lo-fi. This from lo-fi piano to Chow Tape. Chow Tape is good for sound designing. It adds that tape. That's let me just I can show you better than I can tell you. You get immediately out of the box. I didn't do anything to it. This is just me dragging it and dropping it, and it sounds like this already. You can see the wobble effect. And they have tons of presets that you can use. Let's see the lo-fi one. Not bad. You can use the dry and wet knob to do parallel processing. You can use the dry and wet knob to do parallel processing. I like. And the next one on the list is by the same company. It's called Chow Matrix. This one is actually a delay. It's a delay, but it's a delay on steroids. The delay is on some hard drugs. So yeah. I use that to create like a flanger effect, you know, where it feels, where it's like slap, you know, you can't really hear it, but it slaps. It's just there to create the vibe. Now I'll record myself because I want to like resample this whole thing. So the mic is not really an amazing mic to do vocals with. It's a talking mic. So tell me what you're looking for, oh my love. Tell me what you're looking for. Ooh. Yes, so let's see how. Tell me what you're looking for. Yes. Oh my love. I should release the album. Oh. Tell me what you're looking for. Yeah, so I want to resample this. So if you have your on your door, I'm sure you can. Resampling on your door will be maybe you bounce in place or freeze or anything, or one of those things. So now I'll record this. So after resampling this, I want to introduce you to the next plugin. This next one is like one of my favorites. So this one, you need Contact. You need the full version of Contact to work with it. I think that's the only downside. But if you don't have Contact, you should, buy. I mean, invest in your craft. So you should buy. I won't tell you to go and look for anything. Of course, Contact is not paying me for this. This is just me doing it for you guys. So it's not for Contact, and it's not for Native Instruments rather. The next one is called Drop Design. This one, I don't know how, but it's free, So all you want to do with this one is basically like a sampler. So you drag and drop your stuff. So what we recorded earlier, I'm just going to drag it and drop here, and then mute the old one. Then we can create something absolutely. The good thing is I can go like, tell me what you're looking for. Oh my love, mad. Tell me what you're looking for. Tell me what. So yeah, so let's go. Let's delete this old one. 1, 2, 3, go. Tell me what you're looking for. Oh my love, tell me. Tell me what you're looking for. Bruh, that's it. That's it. This one is final. If your song starts like this, you already know you have a banger. But that's not all. You can always come inside here to do one or two things. You can reverse it. It's fire when you reverse it, but I'm not going for that. So they have different types of effects here that you can choose from. So I can say mutate. This one is like a format shift. It's crazy. Let me look for a drum loop and put on that, and let's see how it sounds. Woo! Oh my God! Ah! It's bad, bro! It sounds like a Drake kind of thing. Yes, so the last one is another plugin I really like. It's called Deelay, like D-E-E, delay. Yes, Deelay. Yes, by 6th sample. So you can drag it on this thing. Of course, I don't want to have it on here, but just for the sake of this, let me use this to explain. Of course, it's a delay, but delay for sound designing. Let me look for one of their what's it called? Preset to use. I like the there to create. Let me do like 1/16 here. I think I should make these available for downloads where you guys can download it for free. Who knows? Let's see what you guys can create with it. But I love it. I love it. Okay, yeah. So another thing you can do is record this and flip it again. Let's see where we can take it to. There's no limit to what you can do. You are the limit to your own creativity. So expand your mind to be able to create more. Come on now, that's deep. Oof, I like that. sounds like what future she used to start, like, like those future kind of thing that you just know that it's about to be a gangster vibe. Then you have one sweet bounce coming. Yeah, so I say let's try to sample this again and again. Let us open Simpler. Simpler is like the common sampler on this plugin on Ableton, so you can use your, I don't know what you guys call it, but yeah, I want to start making tutorials on other. Maybe I'll get something nice too. So I want to go like. Yeah, but you get the gist. This is not a beat making situation. This is me just trying to. Of course, if I want to continue this, I have to load up a bass. I have to load up some guitars and other things. But then it will not be a free plugin tutorial because I have to open up all these other ones that I don't use. Like I use them, but not free. They are not free. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should make a tutorial for my favorite plugins, paid, both paid and unpaid? If you want to see my favorite plugin that has nothing to do with whether it's free or not, I would surely do that. But yeah, without no further ado, please ensure to leave a comment in the comment section if you like what you see. And I'm introducing, I'm working on a sample pack that you guys should get soon. I want to put it on the website where you guys can actually go and engage with the content, and it's going to be a platform where people can interact, and I will post more content there as opposed to bringing it here on YouTube. So yeah, is there anything I'm leaving out? Yes, please leave a comment in the comment section, as I said earlier before. And if you want to get these too, please let me know. I can create like a short link where people can download these, and yeah, just be good to yourself, man. And yeah, peace, love.